Hi, from 1 chapter 4 video number 19. Okay, last title about humans. After this we go to plan. Okay, family planning, 家庭计划. Okay, so some of you going to having your family very soon, maybe after 5 years, 4 years, who knows? 谁知道？对不对？ Or maybe after 10 years. So before you having your family, we have to give you the idea lah. Family planning, 家庭计划. Okay, so this is you, or maybe this is you, or this is your baby. So you have to plan your family, how many family member you want. Okay, so this is a title for today, family plannings. When we talk about family planning, 家庭计划, for those who having the family, they must facing one of the two problems that all the family face. Okay, family planning.To overcome the problem in our family 啦，解决家庭上的问题。So for all the family, they must facing one of the problem. Okay, from here, number 1, sterility. Sterility means 不育。You want the baby, but you cannot having the baby. Don't know why. 不知道为什么。So this is what we call sterility. 不育。Okay, another one will be birth controls. Some of them not having the baby, but some of them having too many babies, so you have to control 啦。So birth control 生殖节育啦，这个叫节育，这个叫不育。So we go to the first title first, sterility 不育 and how to settle the problem 怎样解决它的问题呢 ？Okay, can start now. 为什么会不育 ？And how to settle the problem 怎样解决这样子的问题呢 ？Okay.Before I start, you just think yourselves. When we talk about sterility, okay, 不育 the problem normally will be on the male or on the female. 那个问题通常是男生的问题 or female 女生的问题呢？谁比较多问题呢？阿嘎嘎 female? Okay.So from the survey or from the data in Malaysia, okay, almost 50-50. That means when you're having this problem in your family, it's not your wife problem and not your husband problem. Maybe one of you 其中一个人有问题 or maybe both. So 两个人都要有面对问题了，都要面对问题。Okay, so for male and female, when they're having the problem, can you tell me traditionally 传统上 who go to hospital first? 谁去医院先？男或者是女？ Okay, I don't know, 我不知道。Okay, but the best go together 啦，两个一起去。So for male, if you want to check whether you are okay or not okay, you just go to hospital, and the process will be simple. You know why? They just testing the sperm. 他就 test the semen 精液里面有没有精子。From the sperm in the semen, normally they know the result. 通常很快就知道成绩。So male actually can go hospital first to save money 啦，比较省，比较快。But if the problem is not the male, female finally go to the hospital, but no, don't know, depends on you 啦，两个一起去也不错。So what are the problems that cause a male become sterility or infertility? 什么问题造成男生不育的呢？ Number 1, does not produce a sperm. 没有精子，精液里面空空的，没有精子。But why? Don't ask me, ask your doctor. 问你的医生哈。So under the microscope, it will be no sperm inside or all the sperm inactive. So does not produce a sperm. Maybe because of hormone imbalance, 荷尔蒙不平衡。Maybe because of whatever problem 呢，什么问题都有可能。Number 2, low sperm count. Okay, having the sperm 有精子 but the sperm count will be less. 它的精子的数量呢非常的少。So this reduce the chances for the fertilization, 它减少受孕的机会率了。So low sperm counts, okay? Or any problem 还有什么问题呢？ Inactive sperm 精子有，不过不活跃，没有力，奇形怪状的。Okay? Why? Ask your doctor, consult your doctor. Okay, and you get the answer. Or maybe the last problem, not the last, still a lot of problem. The inability to erect. Or what's mean by erect? Erect mean 勃起，还是那个字我读错，不知道。Erect. It means the penis cannot become harder. 那个阳具不能硬 ，and cannot transfer the semen to the female body 了，不能帮忙把精液送进女生的身体。Okay, so this is also another problem. Why? Maybe because of the health problem, high blood pressure.Diabetes 糖尿病种种血管的问题都会造成这种情况 So consult your doctor 看医生 And the problem can be settled 问题就解决了 Okay So don't be shy 不要拍血明白吗勇敢的看医生通常可以解决的 Next. For female, what is the problems? Okay, ovary does not produce the ovum. 卵巢没有制造卵子 or no ovulation 没有排卵 Why? Consult your doctor again. 问你的医生 I cannot answer your questions. 我不能回答问题，也不会。Or another problem may be because of blocked fallopian tubes. 输卵管阻塞 blocked fallopian tubes. Or what is mean by blocked fallopian tube? 那 fallopian tube open 有输卵管看得出的 blocked fallopian tube 阻塞了的 Okay, but why can be blocked? A lot of method, a lot of case 很多种 case I don't know. Okay, maybe because of the tumor, maybe because of the water bubble or whatever 水泡什么都可能造成 or maybe because of the fat 脂肪卡着的关系 it causes a blocked fallopian tube 输卵管阻塞 so go to the hospital consult the doctor you know answer Okay, and for blocked fallopian tube actually it's quite normal you know 这种情况也不是很quite normal 常常听到 Okay, next Inability of the embryo to implant. Okay, so after the fertilization, embryo will be formed. Zygote become embryo. But inability of the embryo to implant. 那个胎儿胚胎啊 cannot implant on the uterine wall. 它不能粘在子宫的墙壁，造成流产。Why? Maybe hormone, maybe whatever. 种种的问题。Consult your doctor. 听得很生气，对不对？整天叫人家看医生。So if you no problem, don't worry. Okay, if you're having problem, hospital will be the best place for you finally to get your baby 啦。Okay, 东奔西跑没有用。So for other country, 印尼啦、泰国啦 they come to our country, they come Penang, come to KL to see our doctor. And why should we go anywhere? 我们为什么不能跑来跑去呢？为什么不去医院呢？对不对 ？So health problem like the high blood pressure, diabetes 啊，健康的问题高血压 or maybe diabetes 糖尿病造成你不能怀孕。So consult your doctor. And actually I heard before 听过 if you go hospital 如果你真的想去看医生 or if you really go hospital most of the time maybe 90% okay 10个人去可能8、9个都会有 baby 了 so just go hospital don't think so much 不要想多多 okay so what are the methods available to settle the problem called sterility 要解决不育的问题有什么方法可以解决的呢 okay number 1第一drug treatments 荷尔蒙治疗 okay so for example when you go hospital you check your body okay after the blood test after the whatever test and they found that the hormone is imbalanced 荷尔蒙不平衡 so the doctor just give the drug 啦他给你荷尔蒙的药 and ask you to eat 3 months half year and everything become normal so 这种最简单吃药就 OK 了对不对 So hormone treatment 荷尔蒙治疗 Or beside this any method 还有什么方法呢 Counseling What is mean by counseling 辅导就会有 baby 咩 Okay I don't know So what is mean by counseling 什么叫 counseling Okay So let's say after the doctor let's say only just example only 例子不了开玩笑不了let's say So let's say after the doctor check the husband, after the doctor check the wife, and both of them no problem. So one day doctor maybe ask both of them come to the room and ask how both of you making the baby, and they say we sleep. Sleep can having the baby? Don't know. Sleep only. Okay, so that's why counseling. But I don't think this method is available 啦，我不认为这种方法现在还有人用啦。Okay, so counseling. By another one, counseling it mean what? 另外一种 counseling it mean what? You see? Still remember, if you want to become pregnant, it must be fertile phase. 在这段时期呢，最适合，对不对？ Or some of the couple maybe because they are not lucky, 因为可能他不幸运呢。For this period, actually cannot having any sexual relationship. Okay, and for this period, no matter how Okay, even you work hard, you're not going to get a baby, 对不对？就算很努力也没有。So doctor maybe give this as a counseling 啦。Okay, from here to here, 这边 you have to work hard 啦，要努力啦，因为这边才叫受孕期。So maybe, okay, some of them they don't know, 他们完全不会。Or this is what they mean consultation 啦。Okay, or counseling 给辅导啦。 But Form 3, Form 1 only, now Form 1 only, we teach you the thing like this. So I don't think counseling will be a method anymore. 以后的将来应该没有人需要这种 counseling 了 OK? Any method. Artificial inseminations, 人造把精液送进身体 So where's the problem come from? 它的问题出在哪里呢 OK? Maybe here. The inability to erect. 丈夫没有办法把精液送进去 So doctor, okay, they're using the scientific equipment. 他们用科学仪器，他们用医疗的工具啦 Okay, they insert the sperm to the female body. 把精液帮忙放进去 So artificial insemination. Okay, 人工受孕啦，人工把精液放进去 Or any method. 还有什么方法呢 Okay, in vitro fertilizations. Okay, 什么叫 in vitro fertilizations? 这种叫什么 test tube baby. Okay, in vitro fertilization 体外受精的 test tube baby. But how is the story? 它的故事怎样呢 Okay, and this is the most important actually. So in the private hospital, the cost may be 80,000 per baby. The whole package, 整个 package 有一个 baby 一次的试管婴儿可能要 80,000. I don't know, you go to check 我不知道 Okay, so what's mean by in vitro fertilization? Or where's the problem come from? 它的问题来自哪里呢 Okay, so blocked fallopian tube, 输卵管阻塞 Okay, so because of the blocked fallopian tube, when the ovary release the ovum cannot pass through the fallopian tube. 卵子不能经过输卵管 So maybe they have to bypass 它要绕道 So doctor having the operations Okay, and now take up the ovums, ova, 多多粒不是一粒他一次拿多多粒 They take up the ova from the ovary. 他从卵巢里面把卵子拿出来 and keep inside the freezer 放在冰橱里面 Okay, so and when the time is suitable, after 1 or 2 months, 一两个月 I don't know the detail 一两个月时间适合的时候 when mommy recover 开刀过后不是开刀了手术过后拿的卵子出来 So when the timing is suitable, doctor will help under the microscope. So under the microscope, doctor going to help for the fertilization. Okay, doctor 他一拿的卵子呢他就给卵子受孕Okay, so under the microscope with the sperm from the father and the ovum from the mother, doctor help in the fertilization, but not inside the body, outside the body. 就在医院里面呢 doctor 帮忙受精 Okay, sperm ovum join together. So after sperm and ovum join together, they become zygote, 变成受精卵 Zygote become embryo. So when the embryo grow until certain period, 1 week, 2 weeks, and the embryo healthy, 而且健康，对不对 So doctor going to take the embryo, put back into the female body 放回子宫里面 So they're going to implant inside the female body. But remember the detail 真切的几天怎样做You consult your doctor. Okay, I just give you the idea only. 我只能给你一个 idea. 不过他的 idea 不会错啦，只是仔细准确的 You have to ask your doctor 啦 Okay, so after the fertilization, 受精过后胚胎健康 They put back into the female body. So the implantation will be continued inside the uterus. 还是在母亲的子宫里面长大然后就怀孕了它绕道过了 Okay, so the baby like this we call test tube baby 这种婴儿就叫 test tube baby 试管婴儿 Okay, settle. Next 还有什么方法呢 To settle the problems And whatever surgery 任何的手术可能子宫里面有生东西 Everything 种种情况 surgery Okay, 开刀 So these are the methods to settle the problem called sterility 不育拜拜